Pero tatlo na kalaban mula dito sa Batang Pier. Look at them share the rock. Itis nga lang si Escoto because of the defense of Northport.
And that's with Navarro, always a constant in terms of defensive effort.
Navarro trying to get it done on both ends.
The last time that Will Navarro missed was 3 games ago. Kasi perfect on the field last match. So far, has hit his first shot. So baka last week yun. But definitely not this week.
Northport by 2, 1917. Tolentino with a steal, 3-on-1. Tolentino to Monson. Gets the basket, may kasama pang foul.
That's what you like about this running game. Kahit mayroon at pag may libre, ibibigay. That's why they're very hard to beat. That's why you have to take good care of the basketball because this team can definitely run. Number one, fast break scoring can produce turnover baskets as well. Kahit sa mga ganyang kababata, nagkaukusay naman na laro.